mementos to our speakers for the day. So I'll just... I request Mr. Karan to come here and join us on the stage. And thank you, Karan, for sharing valuable ideas with us today. Please put your hands together, Karan. Thank you, Karan. Thank you so much. Thank you. I have to come back again. Thank you, Mr. Ratnesh.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
I am Mr. Zaidi.
Mr. Sanaul Hassan Zaidi. Thank you.
Thank you.
And now proceeding with the award ceremony, I would request Mr. Emmanuel to join us on the stage with Mr. Joyentu to hand over the awards, because I wouldn't be the right person to do that. So guys from the branding world should do it on behalf of Office Silpa Entertainments. Come, Joyentu. Come join us. उधर से बुलाया No. अरे
My team was part of the campaign. I hope you don't mind that.
No problem, no problem. Please.
So much.
Next, we have Mr. Deepak Gupta and Mr. Amit Goel from Surya Divine Homes Private Limited, Delhi, for Best Brand Management in Real Estate. Deepak couldn't join us, so we have Amit from Surya's behalf. Please. Next award is for Best Direct Marketing for Edelweiss Financial Services. That's for Edelweiss 26 by 26. Can I have somebody from Edelweiss to join us on the stage? Sir. मुझे देते रहो ना। Next is for Best Sponsorship for Philips and LFW Association for Event Management for FH Marketing. Can we have a round of applause, a little louder for all the people who are coming here? Please. The next is for Best Integrated Marketing Campaign for Aatvi Ghanti, a newspaper that rings 8th bell for Jagran Prakashan media newspapers. Please join us on the stage. Again. The next BAM award is for Best Digital Marketing Campaign for Trade Bull Securities for trade demat and trade account opening. This is for stock marketing industry. Please come. The next award is for Luconet Technologies, and this is for Best Innovative Media Vehicles, CPV Advertising Networks. Can we have Irfaq on the stage? And you guys can meet Irfaq. This is actually an innovative thing that he has been doing in Bangalore. So maybe some good thing can come out of it. Thanks, Irfaq. The next BAM is for Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance Company for Best Corporate Social Responsibility, and this is called Yamraj to Rescue Road Safety Initiative. Yamraj to the rescue? Yeah. You guys have to talk to you. Yamraj is for rescue. The next award goes for Best Innovative Branding in Packaging Industry for Net Maximus Solutions Private Limited. Can we have Shivam on the stage, please? The next BAM is for Best Integrated Marketing Award for Durga Puja campaign for cement industry for Cement Manufacturing Company Limited. Can we have Debjyoti on stage? The next BAM is for Best Mobile Marketing, Microsoft Knockout Cafe, for advertising in PR for FHMKTG. The next BAM is for Corporate Social Responsibility campaign by media newspaper, Dainik Jagran Bharat Raksha Parv, getting a nation to respect its army. Please join us on the stage. The next BAM is for Edelweiss Financial Services, Best Marketing Innovation, Edelweiss Union Budget 2016. The next BAM is for Best Advertising Campaign for Trade Bull Securities, Mobile App Touch for stockbroking. The next BAM goes to Shriram Auto Mall India Limited for most promising brand and bidding platform for acquisition and disposal of used vehicles and equipments. The next BAM goes to Jagran Prakashan, the direct marketing campaign for Jagran Young Editor, creating a newspaper for the future by future. The next BAM is for Best Digital Marketing Campaign by Forex and win 1 lakh cash prize, Foreign Exchange Financial Services, that is UAE Exchange India. Can somebody come and take this memento on their behalf? Can somebody lift? The next BAM is for Best New Product Launch, Edelweiss Trade Lounge, Edelweiss Broking Limited. And this is a recognition for Bistor, that is Best Startup Network, that is being created from Gurgaon itself, and they are coming up with a lot many corporates together and startups online. The next BAM is for Best Pre-Owned Automobile Industry, bidding platform for acquisition and disposal of used vehicles and equipment for Shriram Auto Mall India Limited. The next BAM is for web designing, that is for Maruti Insurance Company by Netcom Labs Private Limited. The next BAM is for Best Brand Campaign, Mahindra Imperial Royal, for Event Management, FHMKTG. The next BAM is for Best Brand Campaign, Jagran Sanskar Shala, a newspaper initiative for Quest of Meaning. The next BAM is for Best Digital Marketing Campaign, Edelweiss, Keep the Promise, Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance Company Limited. सर्टिफिकेट में बाहर And the last and final award is for Best Innovative Media Vehicle, and this is for a brand integration with a movie. Hope all of you have seen that. That's Piku with Kayam Churan, and this is for FHMKTG. I would request all our speakers to be on the stage once. We'll be having a small photo session with all the recipients of the award, speakers, and everyone who's present there. So can I have all the speakers up on the stage, please? And I would join you on Mr. Shubho out here.
Leave a space in between.
Yeah, we'll leave the space for him. We can place him later.
You can put him on and digitally insert.
Thank you. Yeah, can we? Just hold on. Can we have every? Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to India's first corporate news channel. We invite interviews, articles, press releases from your organization. Visit our portal www.indianconventions.com. Thank you.